Hi all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belinda and today we're going to be doing a speed colouring and flip through from this beautiful grayscale colouring book. Let's have a look. Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing a flip through and a review of this beautiful book. This is by Janna Prosvirina. I hope that I've got that right. She's also known as Janna Fairy Art, and I actually have coloured an image from her a long time ago, and I really enjoyed doing that. But she's actually recently brought out a grayscale colouring book which is absolutely stunning, and I wanted to do a flip through of it for you guys so you could check it out and see what you think. I've also done a speed colouring at the end of the flip through, so stay tuned and you can watch along with that one. And also, if you want to check out the full tutorial of that, you can check it out on Patreon. All of the links are in the description below as well. So this particular book is a 28-page book with loads of different types of images in it. They are all grayscale. Some are a little bit darker than others, some are a little bit lighter. So there's kind of a mixture of the depth in the colour of the grayscale. It's a stunning book. The images are beautiful and they're magical. I especially love that grayscale because it means that I can sort of concentrate on colours and things like that without worrying about shading and light source and all that sort of thing as well. I think that it's a lovely mix of different types of images. There's males in it as well as females. There's fairies and there's like mermaids and a lot of other different fantasy type things in there as well. But yeah, a really great mix and I really love it. So I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I have. And this particular copy I'm showing you now is a PDF version. The PDF version is available on Etsy. I'll pop the links in the description below anyway. I think that's everything I have to say about the book. Apart from one thing, the actual watermark on the images that you're seeing now is actually not on the ones obviously in the book. That's just a watermark that I've put on there just to protect the images on the video. So guys, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment and tell me which image you really like out of that one as well. Maybe you'd like to see one coloured up in the future. And make sure that you check out Patreon as well and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Vero. Bye guys!